National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm located over New Buffalo, or 8 nautical miles northeast of Michigan City, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Mariners can expect gusty wind, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes.